Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Zach, and today on Fitness Fabrication, we're going to be going over the top 5 tips for you to lose weight as a beginner. I'm going to go over all this in under 2 minutes, and we have one more bonus step at the end, so make sure you stick around. Getting right into it, step number 1, find a calculator to find your maintenance calories like the one in the description. Step number 2, you're going to use these maintenance calories to adjust your calories just below your maintenance to start losing weight. Step number 3, reduce your calories by a very small amount because the more you cut, the more it's going to burn you in the end when you bounce back off your diet. Step number 4 is going to be just make sure you make your diet sustainable and eat the things that you want to eat. The more sustainable your diet, the more you'll stick to it. Remember, a lot of people think that you have to starve yourself all the time to lose weight, but that's not true. You just need to eat less than your body needs to burn on maintenance. If you're too strict on your diet, then you will fail in the end at some point or the other. Make sure you're not too strict and loosen up a little bit on your diet, and you'll find it a lot easier on your journey. Moving on to step number 5 is just going to be a recap. Make sure you find your maintenance calories, reduce your calories by a very little amount, and make your diet a lifestyle, not a diet. It doesn't need to be so strict that it feels like a diet. And finally, bonus tip number 6, make sure you keep the junk food at least out of sight or out of the house. Just like they say, out of sight, out of mind, make sure you keep the stuff out of sight. Otherwise, you're going to be thinking about it all the time, and the first thing you're going to do when you get a little hungry is go for that snack cabinet. Thanks for joining me, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below what you thought of this video. And if you want a little more of an in-depth explanation, I did a couple videos on the channel about it. I'm sure I'll be blooping them up on the screen. So for now, guys, take care. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Make sure we're gonna start by losing the lowest calories, the lowest you can, because the lowest